Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I've got our first 2021 model year Super Air Nautique. This is a GS24 model and it is a coastal edition, so set up to be used in salt water. It's got all the anodes and closed loop cooling system, so no salt water gets into the boat at all. Great color combo came out here. Every one of these Nautiques is very, very unique. We design every color independently. Let's jump on board and show you through all the options here. Starting at the back, love how the GS24s have their individual seats set up, so if you're sitting back there surfing, you've got a nice comfortable spot to interact with the riders. Also on the GS line, since it's a multi-sport, right here we've got a flip up pylon, so you can use it for slaloming. It even has a setting on the dash for your slalom setup to flatten out the wake at speeds. Underneath the engine hatch here, we've got the ZR4 engine, tons of power for any of your needs. Throughout, we've got a lot of cup holders, even designated phone holders right here, as well as charging ports throughout the boat. Set-in table that quickly removes and can be stored away in a designated spot. We've got the quick release board straps here. No straps to deal with, just lift it up, toss it in. Tower speakers, as well as quick fold bimini. And the whole tower itself goes down as well, so if you want to keep this in a high and dry or have a limited clearance, you can fold it down quickly. Everything on this boat can be controlled right here through the dial or on the touch screen. And also new for 2021, if you're familiar with their previous setup as far as having to change the NSS and the NCRS tabs manually, now you can just move the shape of your wake and it'll handle the rest for you. Finally, up front, we've got a air dam for those cold days, and our insert for the bow to create one big sun lounger. Tons of seating on this boat, great for the family and the friends. Get everybody out wakeboarding for the day, even surfing or slaloming. Not many boats that can say all that. You guys have any other questions? Give me a call. My cell phone is 303-875-3988. Feel free to shoot me a text as well. Thanks for watching.